Hello everyone, this is an amazing site and this is amazing pictures you can see behind. First, I want to let you know that Kathmandu is a city of temples and I am in the main temple of Hindu deity Lord Pashupatinath, and you can see the 12 temples of Jyotir Mahaling of Shiva. And the special feature which I want to focus is that further far behind you can see the cloud because it is the evening time. The sky is very cloudy today, but you can see the golden layer of the ray over there, which captures my imaginations and wants to make me to write something like the Wordsworth used to write in the past. And this is the one of the most holiest Hindu spiritual centers, not only in Nepal and the world. And its name is Pashupatinath Temple, which lies in Kathmandu, the city of temples. It is said that Nepal is just like what we can say without Shiva. He's the national deity, national god, guardians, and source of motivations which promotes human welfare.